Okay, I came over to IPC to meet my colleagues in the different postal groups and wanted to see what they're doing in the e-commerce business and what are the different products on the postal side and on the parcel side that they're doing that can enhance the business and better serve our clients. And so this exchange is very, very important for us. Canada Post is really promoting its initiative through different aspects. One of the main aspects is, of course, direct relationship with the major clients, the top 200 clients in Canada. We're really attacking them seriously, but we're also doing a lot of PR to different groups. And one of our initiatives in PR was this year to set up this e-commerce award show to recognize the top e-commerce business, the top retailers, innovations. So we really set up a very nice award program to do this exchange and bring Canada Post closer to the e-commerce community. For Canada Post, this was a totally new venture. We started off maybe about 6 months ago, and it's a very short period to set up such an award program. But we set it up and put some resources to it, mainly coming from our PR department, to help push, promote, organize, set up, and run the event. So it was all internally run event. So a very fine event that brought the e-commerce community together. So the different components of this award show are as follows. So first of all, we conducted a major survey, close to 4,000 respondents on the internet, to find out what e-commerce shoppers really want and what they expect from the parcel delivery and the logistics side. And that made very astonishing discoveries during that and gave us very good data. So the first part of this award event was to gather probably a group of 20 leaders in one room for a whole day to discuss about the different aspects of this research. So we revealed the research and we exchanged with these people. And then we had groups like we had people from Walmart, we had people from Best Buy, Future Shop, which are the larger ones, Shopping Channel, which is a TV channel doing shopping events and selling off. And we had some small beginning, small groups called like Rent, Rock, Repeat, a very small business that just started up. So we had majors and small guys exchanging on the business of e-commerce and on the logistics and the importance of the logistics side of it. So that was the first part. The second part was the award, and that the award evening, which we had 8 categories to give out. For example, we had a large and small category for the multi-channel retailing. We had the e-retailer, and then we had awards for innovation. And then we asked also the public, and through the media, we asked the public to vote for what they consider to be the best retailer, e-commerce retailer. Canada Post put together, in Canadian dollars, $1 million worth of prize. And these prizes were for example, for transporting your goods, or delivering parcels, giving exposure to a company, so branding to a company, branding some of our trucks that will circulate in different cities across Canada, or again, putting advertising on some of our buildings or on some of our advertising material. So very good initiative to get the smaller guys have the opportunity to get major exposure into Canada. So the event in the evening went off very well. We had very good support from our key, from the community. Tables were bought out by Google, Facebook, and Ford. We were a key supporter, banks. So we have a whole community that really got involved. The judges, we gathered a panel of interesting groups, and so we had people coming in. We had the general manager of Facebook Canada. We had people from PayPal, the general manager of PayPal. We had people representing Canada Post, Mr. Dr. was president. Myself, I was on the board. We had people from the banking community in Montreal. So we had a different variety of people that were there supporting. Also a professor from the university and e-commerce University of British Columbia. So we have a whole community of people that brought together, and they gave credibility, good leadership on making sure that we were selecting the right type of initiatives done by these groups. So to make sure that we had a well-rounded, well-founded group of winners. Well, actually, we had such an enthusiastic event that spontaneously people that had not were not sponsored wanted to become sponsors, and so we had a very enthusiastic event. So of course we're going to be repeating it very anxiously next year.